Hey, my name is Lisa and I'm a freelance industrial designer. In this video, we will talk about what job opportunities you might have as an industrial designer with or without your degree. So let's get started. So in the very beginning of my studies, I thought that the only place you can work at being an industrial designer would be a design studio. But in the reality, there are so many other different places that can hire you with this degree. So let's get through all of them. So if we talk about full-time employment, the first thing that comes to your mind is probably a design consultancy, which is basically a company where you would be working on completely different projects, starting with like a ballpoint pen, ending with transportation. And it's a cool place to work in because you have experience working on completely different fields of design, and this experience will probably help you understand what fields you are most interested in. You can also be hired as an in-house designer, which means that you will have to dive deep into technical and ergonomic specifics of a particular range of products. You will also have to work in the brand identity style as well, which means that you will not really experiment much with the new design language, but you will have to stay consistent and really stick to the style that this company has already developed. So for example, if you work for IKEA, you will have to design everything in their simplistic style, and creating something futuristic will not make much sense for such company. So yeah, the advantages of such employment would definitely be the fact that you already know what you will be working on, instead of, for example, comparing to working at a design consultancy where you never know what you will go for and what project will be the next one to work on, you know? So in this sense, working as an in-house designer is a little bit easier in like creative brainstorming way, because you kind of know what to expect. Another place that you can be hired at as an industrial designer is a furniture design studio. So here in Russia, it's very common that such position will require not only the design skill set and knowledge, but also some management skills. So you will be working directly with the clients coming to this company for design services. You will first have to understand what they need, do some research, and then present a design solution for them. As a manager's part of the work, you will have to calculate the price per project. So it will include all the materials, manufacturing costs, etc. And your salary will in the end consist of a basic amount that you will get per month, plus the percentage from each project. Another position that you can be hired at is a 3D modeler. So a lot of companies need a person who would create 3D models in mainly CAD based on the technical drawings and dimensions that they will provide you with, and you will have to create the 3D models and do high quality renders. The 3D models will be used mainly for manufacturing, and the 3D renders will be used in website design or something promotional for the company. I know that a lot of people with industrial design degree also move to interior design, because this position also requires you to have 3D modeling and rendering skills. Of course, this position requires you to have a little bit different kind of engineering skills, which is floor planning, but that's fine. You can study it yourself, and you don't really need to have a degree in interior design to work in this field. Also, often such positions value a lot if an interior designer can do custom furniture design projects. So this can be an advantage of yours. Also, you can slightly change the career and dive into graphic design, specializing on 3D elements. So think about something between flat and three-dimensional design. So it can be something like stands for exhibitions or even shop window design. So working at such position, you will not only create the 3D product, but you will also focus on the graphics that will be applied on this product. So for example, the stand with brand identity or any promotional stands will be created in such position. Another place that you probably don't think of is an event agency. So I personally have been hired by an event agency twice in my life, and we've been working on some stage design for cooking festivals. I remember there were projects like 3D environmental objects for different events, parties, and business meetings. So think about it as well. Here in Russia, it's very common to be hired by a construction company where you would create some playground designs, outdoor furniture, and lighting. Another place that you might work at is a manufacturing company, specializing on completely different stuff. It can be something that produces only one range of products, or it can be something that produces absolutely anything from plastic or whatever material you probably think of. Working as a designer at such company, you will probably mostly focus on the technical side of things. You will be checking 3D models, technical drawings, etc. But of course, you will also work on product design from scratch, because there are a lot of people who initially find the manufacturing company, and if they see that this company also provides design services, they might not even look for a designer somewhere else, but they will also order this kind of services from this company. So to sum up, don't think that a design studio is the only place you can work as an industrial designer, because there are so many other companies, or even types of companies, better say, that can hire you with the same skill set required, actually. There are plenty of opportunities that you can get working for different companies, and it's actually fine not to know what you want to go into when you're just starting. So I would just recommend starting with something one and see yourself what you like and what you don't like about the position, and maybe then look for another job opportunity. So yeah, just all you need to do is basically start. So basically this is all I wanted to share in this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more content like this. I will see you in the next video.